Hey, my friends, one of the questions that I see a lot is this question here. Is day trading profitable? The answer to that question is, well, it can definitely be, but the transparent truth is most people do lose money day trading. However, it's not as bad as you might think. In my mind, it's no worse than anything else. Success principles are success principles. In other words, we're talking the good old 80-20 rule here. Sure, 80% of the people lose money. 20% of the people make money. But that's Pareto's principle. That's true of anything, whether you start a small business or in athletics or academics or whatever it is. 20% achieve success, real success. So in trading, it's not worse than other things. It's just really the same. And the deal is, well, you got to be good. You got to be skillful. You got to learn how to do it. Can't expect to do it just with freebie stuff on the internet. And here I am giving you something for free on the internet. But that's okay, because you can pick up some good things here. And actually, I really do encourage everyone to start by learning some things for free, because there's so much great free stuff out there. So start that way, definitely. And learn the terminology, learn your basic concepts, and so forth. When it comes to actually making money, though, in other words, when you want to turn that into a profession, then, yeah, you're going to have to get beyond what the 80% learn, and you're going to have to get into some professional details at that point. Okay, but that's for a little later on, maybe a little later on now, and that's fine. So anyway, one point here that I want to share with you that works for me beautifully is this. So we're talking about day trading, but I'm actually showing you a daily chart. And these situations don't come up every day. Nothing comes up all the time. That's why it's good to have a little variety of setups in your quiver of day trading, so to say, that you can pull out and shoot at any time. So, in fact, we were watching this with my live group here the other day, and we were saying, hey, we've got a wave 11, very extended trend. All right. So, and then we've got a topping pattern here, and we actually had a perfect shorting setup. All right. Now, so then what we do is, and we did this with swing trading in that particular group, but here's how you can apply it to day trading as well. So you see these turning points. It could be anywhere. And you don't have to use my methodology for this, by the way. I think it's the best, but anywhere you see a very, very high probability swing high or swing low on the daily chart, then you go to your intraday chart for day trading. So let's go over to that right now. All right, so now here we are. That was the Qs, by the way, the NASDAQ 100 exchange traded fund. And so, and I traded this today, by the way, real time, real money, all that stuff. But I'm going to show you the micro E-minis today. And this again is of the NASDAQ 100. Normally, actually, this is the first time I've even really looked at this. I traded it today just to get a feel for it. The contract size is so small, it's not really very profitable, but it's a great place for new traders to start. So if you're gotten past demo account mode and simulation mode and you're ready to start trading with real money, then I would highly recommend that you trade these micro E-minis before you trade the regular E-minis. You'll make more money with the regular E-minis, but only once you're profitable. So ease into it and keep the pressure, the psychological pressure of trading with real money as low as possible. So today I thought, I'll just trade this one and see how it moves. I want to get a feel for the fills, the volume, and all that kind of stuff. And it was great, actually, by the way. It was great. So I just traded it for an hour just to get a feel for it. And also so I could report back to you and with honest, experience under my belt with it. So anyway, here's what we do. So I like to use a 10-minute chart for the intraday. Now that's only for these days where I'm looking for a unidirectional move. In other words, a big move in a direction either up or down based on the swing of the daily chart. So look what happened here. And the reason is if you take too short of a time frame, then there's just going to be a lot of moves up, moves down, all that kind of stuff, and you're not going to get the big wins. The point of this is we want to catch some big wins. All right, so we actually started the day, let's see, the open was here. Alrighty, so that was the open. This is all pre-market data, which you could have traded that as well, by the way. These futures trade pre- and post-market data pretty well as also. So we start down, okay, good, and then we make a move up. Well, look what happens. So this is check and money flow, by the way. So we've seen check and money flow down here, and after we open, price makes a lower low, but check and money flow is moving up. Well, money flow is pretty darn important. That indicates the strength of a move. And so this indicates to me that we probably reached exhaustion. If you include pre-market data, which I do, then it's already been going down for a while. So if you don't include pre-market data, you won't see this and you'll think, oh, we've just had a little bit of move. No, the truth is we've already been moving down for quite a while. So we already have a 4-wave or 5-wave move down, which is the average trend. And now money flow is moving up. It's recharging. The way I look at that is kind of refueling the market, if you will, reloading for the big move down, which is what we're looking for based on the daily chart. So we get a little ABC complex retrace up, boom, boom, boom. And then what happens? Then we break the trend line of check and money flow. Actually, we break it earlier in this bar here. And we come screaming on down. And that's what I was trading today. I didn't trade this move up here. I just traded this move down. And we got nothing but net. And that's the beautiful thing. So we're looking for a swing on a major swing on the daily chart, and then just to trade in that direction, wait for everything to do all of its little monkey business, reload, choppiness, whatever it's going to happen, and then wait for that big move down in the direction of the swing on the daily chart. By the way, for those of you who are familiar with my rubber band trade, this also is the rubber band trade right here. Right? Why is it not drawing? Draw, puppy. Yeah, it's not going to draw for me. Okay, so that's all right. We'll just use this little rectangle here to do it instead, since my highlighter isn't working. But yeah, that's your reload pattern right there. So I'm not the reload pattern, the rubber band trade. The rubber band trade. So if you would like my rubber band trade, which obviously worked incredibly well today, it's a trade I actually give away for free. So you can get that by just going to rubberbandtrade.com. Again, rubberbandtrade.com, or just send me an email, barry@topdogtrading.com. And I also give away my cycle indicator. So actually, if you just go to either place, rubberbandtrade.com, or send me an email, barry@topdogtrading.com. I'll send you both. What the heck? Let's just do them both at the same time and give you that stuff. But for those of you who are my students already, or those who just got the free rubber band trade, you could have made a lot of money with this today. That was a home run intraday trade. And you're welcome. So, great setup. I do want to be clear. This is just one of the setups. Obviously, we don't get major swing highs or swing lows every day on a daily chart. So it's just one of those things you look for, and when it's there, it takes like 2 seconds to identify. And once it's there, then you just say, wow, I've got a great setup here today, and that's the direction, right? It gives you a bias for the day. Not only a bias for the day, but these are big wins. This is where you get your huge reward and puny risk. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to share good things with good people. Click on the share button below if you'd like. Would love that. Also, any comments you have, I really cherish your comments, your questions. Type those in below. If you have any suggestions for future videos, you can leave them there also. I keep a list of people who want certain topics in the future. And actually, that's how I determine what topics I'm going to make videos about. All right, my friends. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you found it helpful. Paper trade it, simulate trade it, test it out for yourself. And if you like it, it's my gift to you.